Welcome to DESI ASTRO. In this Python tutorial, you are going to learn that how to do a one-dimensional discrete Fourier transform. For doing that, here you can see that we have Fourier transform yk and we have its inverse Fourier transform xn. Okay, so we have xn is a one-dimensional array having length n, and yk is your Fourier transform in your another space. Okay, and then this is the formula for n equal to 0 to n minus 1, length minus 1, and p raised to minus 2 pi j kn by capital N xn. Okay, so and its inverse can be done by changing the plus to minus sign in that j. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so for doing that we need to define here a xn. Okay, so first of all I will import some numpy. Import numpy as np. So this will deal with array, right? And then I will define from scipy dot fft import fft and ifft. Okay, right? So this is for your fft and inverse. Okay, inverse Fourier transform, right? Now we have done. So like see, we need to define your xn. Okay, so we will give the xn. So give here say xn, right? Xn equal to, you can give np dot array, and you can give say 1 590, give some numbers, right? So we have total of 7 numbers, right? This is my xn. Now you need to find okay yk, right? So I will give here. Now do fft. Okay, so give here yk, right? Yk equal to, type here fft and c. So it takes the x value. Okay, for time being I will just give here xn, right? So it will do the Fourier transform. Now print here yk. So see, this is your Fourier transform. Okay, so this will give Fourier transform. This will give Fourier transform, right? You can see here the check its individual component, right? 0. You can see it's 130 minus 0j. So it's the first element. It's a sum over all the elements, right? This way you can do fft. Now you can do the inverse. Okay, so do inverse Fourier transform, right? So for doing the inverse I will go for xn. Okay, so type here xn1 and type ifft, right? And pass your yk, right? So yk, then print xn1. So see, you can see you are of this transform. Okay, like 1 5 9, then it's around 0, then you have got 5, then 30, then 80. Okay, so basically by doing inverse you are able to get your xn array. Okay, this is how to do simple one-dimensional discrete Fourier transform. This is the easiest way to do using Scipy fft Python package. So I hope you have learned that how to do fft using Python Scipy module for one-dimensional discrete data. Thank you.